Welcome to my another video, guys. I'm your host Rajesh, and today's topic is Linux versus Windows, and we will talk about security. And the first thing comes in our mind when we talk about security is antivirus. And in Linux, we hardly need an antivirus, and the very basic reason you don't need an antivirus on Linux is that very little Linux malware exists in the market, and malware for Windows is extremely common due to the heavy users number. Sometime when you install Windows software, then it installs other program as well in the background. So whatever the reason, Linux malware is not all over the internet like Windows malware is. And now let's explain these points with other examples. And the first one is package manager and software repositories. And when you install a new program in Windows, you probably takes help of Google and search for programs. During that process, you may end up uh, with installing virus malware in your Windows computer. Whereas in Linux, if you want to install a new program, then you open the package manager and download it from Linux distribution software repositories. And as these softwares are trusted ones, therefore there are no chances of virus there. And generally, Linux users are not used to wander here and there on internet for downloading softwares. And the next security feature is, Windows has done a lot of work to fix serious security problems until a user account control feature, which was introduced in Vista. Otherwise, earlier users always used to use administrator account for every little work in Windows, whereas in Linux, users normally use limited privilege user and use root account only when it is required. So Linux always has IP tables and as Linux as well. And the third point is market shares. And market shares are mostly dominated by Windows users, whereas Linux always has the history to be used by more literate users. Therefore, Windows is being used by most of the users, and there are very least users in Linux. That's also the other reason for Linux security. So I hope, guys, that helps to understand the fact that why Linux is more secure than Windows. Thank you, guys.